Jason says hier, Enki
stone of man.
wrote it 300 at works.
The pyramid was only a book. It's the book of what? Meaning all these bricks, 203 levels. At here, what is the Great Pyramid? What are all these 203 levels? At here, what is the books? Book, here it is. Enoch wrote 366 books. Yeah.
Books.
What are we looking at here?
366 books. Everything is coded. I just made a quick, like book in Hungarian könyv. Bukovina again, the scholars. Könyve. So the kunnelet is like the Enki name. The Enki's book, and the Enki's was say was scribe, writer, En het is de Anakars is de kaarte, het woord op kaarte in Romanië is boeken. An Enki, I don't know. I'm skit al dictate how to say so. I know Anakars is also say that wrote a poem of 8 lines about the simplicity of life and military matters, The double the number of Enki, how many books written, but these are days of the year, right? Goes to Martele, crushes the moose. The moose again were probably some voices. More in Latin is low, right? Low in Ungarn is horse. October 10. 800 books, I don't know, Anacarsis minus this gives 68, which is almost like 69, and 2 times is Jason Small basically. So 800. So again, another Frankish, Charlie Magnese, Roman Emperor, December, Jesus Day. But Charles also was crowned as Frank King in this year, so not forget it to write 768, October 9. So I don't know. Boeken, yeah, the Kunjwe, Willeter is interesting. The Willeter looks like the nu in the Greek alphabet. So kunnen, so transformed the 1 letter Willeter in the 1 letter, so they are 2 already. Kunnen, so can disappear. Or Willeter you saw Latin text is written like U, the U is written like V Latin text, upside down is fuck easy. Enki boek, Hungara boek, kun je stier, kun je stonen. Dat is de rootwoord of stone interesting. Jesse talks about stones. Kun je is easy, is like Jesus in Arab Romania. But Anje en de he can be Enoke. Enosh. So Enki Jesus, but I said Enki Jesus. Hungarian Anje is easy. Similar to whom name. Enki, there's written Enoke. Even Jason, I guess, said Enosh, and like I put the J on. It's all this. So I don't know. Is Jesus? Enki was who? Enki was easy. Enki was positive. So Jesus, but and her. And her. Can take out if you want. Jesus, Yeshi going God, Yeshi similar to Yesh like Jesus. Romania, Jesus talks about gate of Yaksakat, Giza. Escape from simulacrum. Enki went from Giza to heaven. Hier out in Hungarian, so Enki, Menki, Hungarian go out, or men is heaven. Kinite kunnen also key is out, niet is opens, kinite opens out. Met turen, similar to tieren, is kunnen also door in fucking German. So gate of Yaksaka, Jason says this. And sukke is escape, also like escaping hune, but ape, Ape has the Romanian what? But Ape, again, Ape going up like Enki or Jesus, I don't know. Or Sube on there. Because Jesus said that Jesus survived, was better to survive the flood and shit. It's an arch of Noah also, you know, somehow. Everything just symbolic is about something. Or I just put it like Trail of Tears, Civilized Advance, Civilized, Civilized. Civilized is also Hungarian word because something is civilized means outstanding, right? So not regular. Came out from barbarism, I ought to say. Kiváló Hungarian means outstanding. Ki is out, and való means separation, separation. You know, like you know, those are the civilized chosen ones, let's say. Jews, who are the real Jews, you know. Kiváló. Or even Hungarian say Különbe also means something like this, but it's similar to Columb name. So again, Columbus story in America is about that is the trade of thieves, you know. But they made up the Europeans went there and I don't know. Better. Not even Hungarians know it must be with like the N letter with the or with the M letter. You can write like this or different, or different, or külön means also separated, you know. You get it. Some other way, I don't know. Oh, fucking hate this stuff. Let's see if oh. So Enki stone. That's why Jason just puts together as a Hungarian also fits together. All right.